Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here we have a new bike that is not for me. This is not my bike that I just bought for $700. He wanted 8. This is a Honda 2000 Honda Shadow 600. It's got a fair amount of miles on it. What are we at? 43,000? But it's pretty well taken care of, especially cosmetically. Look at this thing. She looked good. But, yeah, she runs pretty good. Here, let me start it up for you, so you can hear it. Key right there. Are we in neutral? No, we are not. Now we are. There we go. Sounds pretty good. Hey, let's get a little ear porn going. One cosmetic thing. This back seat's a little fuckered, but that's not a big deal, really. Honestly, in the grand scheme. I mean, the tank doesn't have a dent. I don't see really a scratch on it, barely at all. There's one scratch right there. So it's not looking bad, boys. Tires are fucked. Needs new tires. Probably could use a carburetor cleaning. Maybe just a new carburetor altogether. That's on Matt, whatever he wants to do with it. Oh, by the way, the person that this bike is for is NeverEnuffAmmo. This is NeverEnuffAmmo's bike that I picked up for $700 for him. What do you guys think? Yeah, a little hesitation there. I think that's just the carb needs to be cleaned out. But, yeah, man, she sounds good, huh? Alright, well, I gotta go get ready for work and do my work thing and all that, but I figured I would make this video real quick. Send a couple of pictures to Matt so that he can salivate over this thing and figure out how to get it from Colorado to Texas. I don't know how that's going to work exactly, but, you know. Anyway, it's here, it's running, it's riding, it's going. It needs new tires, but it doesn't really need a lot else other than that. So, yeah, look how bald that is, dude. But yeah, boys, what do you think? This is Matt's new bike. Go ahead and send him a little congratulations or something. I don't know. Whatever you'd like to do. But thanks for tuning in, guys. This is Honda. We'll see you. I don't fucking know what I'm saying. Whatever, dude. Like, share, subscribe, blah, 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 blah. Fuck off. Deuces.